Welcome everyone. Christine Marie Odell here, and I am so delighted that you are joining me today because I am going to be talking about the secret to detox success. Actually, I'm going to talk about my secret to detox success, and I hope that in sharing that, it will help you on your detox and healing journey. Again, I'm Christine Marie Odell. I am a detox specialist trained by Dr. Robert Morse, and I am going to talk about something that really has nothing to do with all of my training about the food, the fruit, the herbs, and all those things that he teaches us can help us with detoxification and regeneration. Instead, today I'm going to talk about what I think is the absolute most important thing that you need to master in order for you to have detox success. So, what's my secret? My secret I call emotional fortitude. That's right, emotional fortitude. Now you may be thinking, what does that have to do with detox? Well, if you've tried a detox diet, you've tried a detox lifestyle, you will know that it can be very simple to do, but it may not be an easy journey for you because you're going to change everything. You're going to change your food habits, you're going to change your lifestyle, you're going to be around people who are going to be naysayers and doubters. You're going to self-sabotage yourself, fall off the wagon, and all of those things. So it takes emotional fortitude to be able to stay on the detox path. So how do you get emotional fortitude? Well, I will be honest with you, it's not something that you just snap your fingers and you got it. It is something that is a process. It is a process of learning what to do every time you self-sabotage yourself, every time someone disparages you for the detox journey you have chosen, every time you fall off the wagon and then you got to get back on, all the times that you feel like you're on that hamster wheel going round and round and nothing's happening, you're not getting results. So emotional fortitude is something that as you walk the path, as you are on your detox and healing journey, you can strengthen along the way. And here's how I've done that. I've learned what to do when I self-sabotage myself. I have some strategies that I use if I know I'm about to self-sabotage. If I fall off the detox wagon, I get right back on. It's just a learning experience. It's kind of like riding a bike. You fall down, you get back up, and you start riding again. I do daily meditation and reflection about why I'm on this detox journey. I am very close with Mother Nature. I spend time walking, I spend time on the beach, I spend time in the woods, and I nurture myself and ground myself in that way. I do shadow work. What does that mean? Shadow work means I look at that shadow part of me that may be getting in the way of doing a detox that really helps me to create radiant health. I visualize myself as a radiantly healthy and vibrant woman so that I can see who it is I want to be. So those are some examples about how to develop emotional fortitude, because the strength that you develop during your detox emotionally and spiritually are what are going to be the foundation of your success. So if you came today thinking that I was going to give you some secret potion, some secret diet, some secret herbal protocol, well, yes, I do have those in my toolbox. But I think that those are not going to help you at all if you don't have emotional fortitude, if you don't have trust in the process, if you don't have some kind of spiritual or religious faith that keeps you on the path, then you're probably going to fall off the wagon and fall off the wagon and fall off the wagon. And so pick yourself up. Contact me, reach out to me, and I'll help pick you up and help you to stay on the path. Because when we're all doing that together, we can all help each other to create this new kind of lifestyle that creates radiant health and a vibrant life. So I thank you for being here today. I am honored, so very honored to help guide you. And I hope that you will take this one little secret to heart and begin to work on all those things that are obstructions to your beautiful, radiant, and vibrant life. Whether that's a beautiful fruits and veggies detox diet, using the herbal formulas that Dr. Morse offers, or just working on that emotional and spiritual fortitude that's going to help you stay on the path. So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the love and compassion as you walk the detox and healing path. Namaste.